Guys, 115 Chandler 1 here. We got a new camera. So, we ended up going with a Sony ZV-E10. Great camera. Decided to check it out. For some reason, whenever I bought this, it was cheaper to buy a brand new than it was to buy a used one, which kind of surprised me. So, I don't know. Let's switch to it and see what you think about it. So, let me know. Is it better? Alright, so now we're on the Sony. So far I think it's a pretty cool camera. A little low light in here, but I don't know, it's probably how I have the settings or something. But it's alright. So I guess we're going to be bringing better content to the channel. So next time you see us, tell us how it looks and was it worth the buy over my iPhone 13 Pro that I've been using forever. So let's check it out. I'm just holding the camera right now, just with my arm, no tripod, no grip, no nothing like that. This is the stock mic it's coming out of and everything. So let's do some test shots and see how it really holds up compared to my iPhone 13 Pro. That was the test. So which one do you think looks better? Don't mind my I guess profiling skills or picture profiling skills or whatever. I am using what's straight coming out of the camera on manual mode, so I haven't done a whole lot of tweaking to any of this stuff. So tell me what you think. Everything's gonna be uncolor graded. I think I'm in picture profile 6 on Cine 1 on the Sony camera. I might color grade it a little bit just to make it look a little bit more flattering, but overall it's straight out of the camera, and everything coming from the iPhone will be straight out of the camera. So if you like this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, see when I'm uploading future videos, and we'll go from there. Anyway,